Hi, if you've joined me already, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome to Arise Cake Creations, bringing you the sweeter side of life. I'm Sarah. Today's tutorial is part 2, a continuation from the Bauhinia flower. It's the Bauhinia leaf. It's really simple to do. If you haven't checked out part 1 yet of this tutorial, the Bauhinia flower, then I'll leave a link in the description box and a link in the iCard. Okay, let's get started. To make the Bauhinia leaf, I've coloured up some gum paste a very light green and rolling it out thinly over a groove board. I'm using a rose petal cutter just to get the initial shape started and then cutting it freehand with a very sharp scalpel. It's a really simple shape to do, so you should have no problems cutting it out. Lightly brush a 26 gauge wire with some edible glue, brushing off any excess glue and thread it through the raised vein of the leaf. Use any large leaf veiner to make the impression onto the leaf. I think I'm using either a maple leaf or an oak leaf, not entirely sure, but if you do know, please make a comment below. I'm also using a makeup sponge to literally further enhance the impression of the veins onto the leaf. Using a foam pad and a ball tool, soften the edges of the leaf. You can also at this stage use a veining tool just to further enhance the veins on the leaf. Gently curl the edges of the leaf, move it into shape so it looks less flat and more natural. Set the leaf aside to dry in either some cupped foil or some scrunched foil so that it maintains the shape that you've just put in. Once your leaf is fully dry, you can begin dusting your leaf with some petal colours. Now I'm using Sugar Flare, Moss Green and Crystal Colours Tree Bark, and I've mixed the two together to get a slightly darker green. I also used a bit of black petal dust mixed in with the green just to highlight some of the detail on the petal even further. Make sure you dust your leaf on the back and the front. Now, if you have one, use a scribe tool. If you haven't, don't worry, you can use a pin for this. It will do exactly the same job. Now, make sure you do this very carefully and very gently. You do not want to break your leaf at this stage. Just follow the markings that you made from the earlier impressions and you will have no problems. Take the same brush that you used to dust the leaf and brush away any excess dust. And there you are, your completed Bauhinia leaves, all finished and ready to sit alongside your Bauhinia flower. See, I told you it was easy. Now I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'd love for you to hang out with me, so you can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Remember to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I'm really enjoying making all of this content for you, so once you hit that notification bell, you will literally be informed of all future videos that I do. Thanks for watching. See you soon.